So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of ScriptHookV critical error, or if you're facing any type of unknown game version error on your GTA 5, like if you have updated your GTA 5 and your menu modes are causing some error or ScriptHookV fatal errors, how you can fix all of that. Now in order to fix it, all you need to do is to just simply first of all come to your GTA 5 main directory. You can easily find it by opening the file location of the GTA shortcut. Now here, you need to simply go to this option of trainers. Inside the trainer, you'll find menu. Go to the menu and here you'll file these two files, that is scripthookv.dll and dinput.dll. All you need to do is to just simply delete these two files. Now come to any of the browser that you have, and here you need to go to this website, that is devc.com/gta5/scripthookv, and download the latest version of the ScriptHook. Now, once you get the latest version, all you need to do is to just simply copy and paste again both of these ScriptHook and DLL files to this folder again in the menu, and you'll notice that every problem that you're facing related to your ScriptHook error or game version error will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.